I'm Kana Whitworth here in Los Angeles, and we have some breaking news. Right now on ABC News Live reports, we've learned of a powerful earthquake that has now triggered a tsunami warning for a large part of the Alaskan coastline. The U.S. Geological Survey reporting that this 7.3 magnitude quake struck just a short time ago right off the Alaskan peninsula, and the tsunami warning is covering several cities, including Kodiak. Now, police there are telling ABC News that they sounded sirens. They are warning people to move to higher ground. Any impacts are expected here in about 20 minutes. We're going to watch this very closely, but joining me for more on this is Jody Stevens.